Whether you have $0 or $5,000 to invest in your live stream setup, you can still get studio quality audio and video on your streams. I'm going to walk you through 3 budget-friendly setups at $650 or less that will make you look and sound just as professional as a $5,000 setup. So this is how we're going to break it down. For each tier, $0, $150, and $650, we're going to go over the best choice for your microphone, camera, headphones, lighting, and live streaming software. Let's start off with a $0 budget and work up from there. Considering you have a computer, you're ready to live stream. For your microphone, you have 2 options. Your built-in computer mic, or if you use the software that I'm going to suggest, you can use your phone mic for higher quality audio. For your camera, you also have 2 options. Your built-in computer webcam, or again, with the suggested software, you can seamlessly use your phone camera as an external webcam. When it comes to headphones, you only need these if you're going to have another person join you virtually for the live stream. Headphones prevent any echo during the stream. On a $0 budget, you can use any wired, not wireless, headphones laying around the house. When it comes to lighting, just set up facing a window. Natural lighting is the perfect way to save money. When it comes to how you're going to live stream, realistically, you can live stream natively on any platform that you'd like. But if you want to be able to use your phone camera and phone mic seamlessly in your live stream, or if you want to live stream to multiple destinations simultaneously, or if you want to have added features like adding text to your screen and showing media files, then you will need to use a live streaming software. For this, check out Riverside.fm's free tier. I'll walk you through how to use it and the available features on the free tier. Head to Riverside.fm and create a free account. The free tier is actually really generous. Once you're logged in, create a new studio for your live stream using this plus button. I'm going to name it Live Stream and create the studio. Once your studio is created, you can head into it. On this page, you'll be able to select external equipment to your computer. You can use your built-in webcam and mic, or if you have a phone, you can seamlessly connect your mobile camera and your mobile microphone to your computer. Setup is quick and easy. You just scan this QR code. If you need help setting that up, I will link a video above for you. If someone else is going to join your live stream, remember you do want to use headphones, so select here whether you are or are not using headphones and head into the studio. In the studio, if you head to this drop-down menu at the top, you'll see that you can live stream to many different destinations. These are super easy to set up. If you want a walkthrough of how to connect each one of these, I will link a playlist of videos above for you. If you want to invite somebody to record with you, you can send them this link. You can either copy it right here, or you can invite them by email. They can join on the web or even on their mobile or tablet. On the Riverside free plan, you will have the option to brand your studio. However, the options are more limited than if you were to upgrade to the paid version. To start your live stream, just select Go Live at the bottom. The platform will count down, and once it starts, your live stream will start on any platform that you have connected your live stream to, and the recording of your live stream will start as well. If you head to this chat button, select live stream chat, all of the reactions and chats from any platform that you're connected to will show up right here, all in one place. This way you can respond and engage in real time. With this text feature, you can add lower thirds throughout your stream to emphasize certain points or give calls to action for your audience. At the bottom here, you can also share your screen for added visuals. When you're done, select stop. The live stream will stop on every platform that you're connected to, and you'll see the recording of the live stream uploading to the cloud. Once it's been uploaded, select View Recordings. Once the recording is uploaded and processed, you will see it here. If you scroll down, the recording will be available to download. Now, on the free plan, you will get a total of 2 hours of separate track recordings. This means that for 2 hours of live streaming, you will have access to download a recording of every participant's audio, video, screen shares, and media files all separately. After you've used up your allotted 2 hours, you will get a single track of everything merged together. And in the editor, you can use the tools in here to upgrade the look of your video, and then you can download it in 720p. Okay, great, easy peasy and free. Love that. But maybe you have some more money to spend. Let's look at what you can do with $150. For your microphone, the one that I recommend is the F-Deuce SL40. This is an off-brand mic that you can plug into your computer via USB, and it also has the option to use an XLR connection. It also looks like a really popular mic, the Shure MV7 Plus. It has great audio quality, Here's a clip from Steven's video where he shows you how it sounds.
This is the F-Deuce SL40, and Riverside is the best way to record high-quality video and audio content with remote guests.
You'll also need a boom arm to hold the mic up. So let's go with the F-Deuce kit on Amazon. The regular price is $77. For your camera, your phone camera is going to get you the best quality, and it films in up to 4K, which means that you'll get a recording of your live stream in 4K if you decide to upgrade to Riverside's standard plan. For lighting, you'll want to get a couple panel lights. A great kit to check out is the 2-pack LED video light kit from Nice VD Studio. This will cost you $53. For headphones, any around your house will do again. If you have a budget of under $150, you'll want to save your money for more important equipment. So, we're at $130. You'll also want to upgrade to a Riverside standard subscription, which will cost $15, plus you'll want the live streaming add-on, which is an additional $10. So that puts your startup costs at a grand total of $155. A bit over budget, but hey, we want the best, right? It's important to note that Riverside is your only cost that will reoccur monthly, or you can choose the yearly plan to save some money. When you have the standard Riverside plan, here are some of the added features you'll get. You'll have more branding options in the studio, such as adding a logo, and you can customize the theme of your branding. If you head up to the live stream toggle and go to settings, you'll see that you can actually choose to stream it up to 1080p, and you can remove the Riverside watermark from your live stream. You'll have access to 5 hours a month of separate track recording and editing, and in the editor, you'll have access to AI features through this AI producer button. You'll be able to download your final recorded live stream in up to 4K depending on what kind of camera you used. So that was just over $150. Let's bump it up a bit. What if you have a budget of $650? If this is the case, for your microphone, let's go with a crowd favorite, the Shure MV7 Plus. Well, make sure to get the kit. This is going to give you a high-quality mic, a great stand, and a pair of high-quality headphones for a grand total of $369. For your camera, again, your phone is your best option. Lighting, let's get some quality branded panel lights. I recommend the newer 13-inch LED video light panel lighting kit, which are the ones that I'm using right now. These are $170 if they're not on sale. So we're at $539, we have a little bit more to spend. Now you can stick with the Riverside standard subscription, or you can upgrade to a Riverside Pro subscription costing $24 plus the $10 live stream add-on. So that brings us to a grand total of $573. Let me go over some of the additional features that you'll get with the Pro plan. You'll have all the same features in the studio as the standard plan, plus you'll have this teleprompter feature to help you stay on track throughout the recording. You can also accept live call-ins from your audience that is watching on the Riverside platform so that they can call in and become part of the stream. You'll get 15 hours a month of separate track recordings afterwards. You'll also get a transcription of your recording available in over 100 languages. This AI show notes feature will generate things like a summary, keywords, takeaways, titles, sound bites, and chapter markers from your recording. You'll also have access to more AI tools like AI Voice, which will allow you to generate speech in your own voice. Again, you can download your edited live stream in up to 4K depending on the camera that you use to record. So there you go. That's how you can live stream for under $1,000 with different tiers to help you find a setup that fits in your budget, whether you have one or not. All of these recommendations will allow you to capture high quality audio and video. If you want to know more about live streaming on Riverside, I'm going to link a playlist of videos here that will help you out. And if you want to know more about what you can create from your recorded live streams, I'm going to leave a walkthrough of the Riverside editor here so you can see just how powerful it is. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you want more tips, tricks, and tutorials on live streaming and high quality content creation, make sure to subscribe to this channel that you're watching right now. We post new videos every week designed to help you out. Thanks again for watching. My name is Bridget O'Rourke, and I'll see you next time.